Hi guys, now briefly I want to talk to you about importing and using iPhone screen recordings into your video. It can be a great help, and your iPhone does, and your phone essentially does great work in recording very useful B-roll that you can actually use to enhance your video. Remember, the more visualization and variation you can give your audience, the better it becomes. So what I use is that now the phone natively records in does a screen recording right here. I'm not too sure if you can come across, but what I do is that I use Go Record. Okay, this app is quite good. I'm not too sure if I can show it to you right here. So what Go Record actually does is that it sort of records everything. Okay, it's a typical screen recording. When you're ready, just press record, and what it does is that it also records the audio, so you can sort of activate the mic and commentate through your recording if you want to do that, and it will save all your recordings and all these thumbnails, and when you're ready, you just share it across through your computer and you can use it for your edit. Now, going to the edit right here, I want to use one of the screen recordings and sort of use it to complement this segment of the video. So let's have a short listen and see what I need to include.
After lessons, schedule consultations as and when necessary. Students often request that you check on their work progress or to clarify uncertainties regarding the course. Avail yourself to them as much as possible.
There you go. So it seems like when I say avail yourself as much as possible, it's a good time to add some sort of a B-roll or maybe some chats that I have with students, assuming that they've given their permission, to sort of post it there and add some visual complementary video to the cut over here. I'm rambling, not sure why I'm doing that, but so I've recorded one on Go Record earlier, and let's just see if I can bring it over. So I get it in my downloads, okay, and I'll just drag and drop it over to my library, and it should show up in somewhere. Now you can just go search Go Record, see if it shows up. That's tricky. Let's see if it's there. Should be one of the final videos. I can't seem to locate it. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. What I can also do is I can just drag it and drop it right onto my timeline. Okay, so let's say I want it to be about right here. Let me just stop it there first. Okay, avail. So I wanted to start when I say avail yourself. Seems to be a good place for it to start. So let's say if I want to slim down, okay, and let's see what the video says. Okay, so there you go. So my Mac is obviously trying to render all the video. So essentially, I already have the clip right here. But of course, I don't want the position to be so ugly, right? I don't want it to be taking over my space. So what I want instead is to sort of push it to the side to have it right here. So I can just click on this toggle over here, okay, and I can just drag it to the preferred position. Okay. There it is. Now I'll just fast forward the rendering process just so that you can see the final result, yeah?
Or to clarify uncertainties regarding the course. Avail yourself to them as much as possible for online support. Whether it's an email or a one-on-one Zoom session.
There you go. So that's how easy it is for you to just incorporate a video into your timeline to sort of enhance the overall B-roll, to give it more visualization. Okay, so I hope this is a good tip for you to sort of learn to incorporate, use the tools available to you to record as much as possible, to have as much information as possible. Okay, talk to you again in the next one.